Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to help you fix WhatsApp status couldn't send. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have WhatsApp open here and you can see I have the status page open. If you're trying to add a new status and it keeps saying couldn't send, the very first thing that I'll want you to do is to swipe down from the top right and then toggle off Wi-Fi. So if you have Wi-Fi on, you might want to try cellular data. It might be an internet connection issue, so your cellular data might be faster. So let's just hop in here and add a quick status, say add this video real quick. So I'm just going to add that, and then it's going to say sending this status and my status just now. So you can see that posted. If you try to add something or just change your text, what you want to do, the next step is hit on privacy at the very top left. So you can see that it says my contacts, so anybody on my contacts can see my status. If yours says my contacts accept or only share with certain people, you'll want to switch it back to my contacts. So this is a bug in WhatsApp. If you have your status only set to being shared with a certain number of people, either my contacts accept or only share with, then sometimes it just doesn't work. It's a bug within WhatsApp. So change it to my contacts. You might want to close out and restart WhatsApp, and then you should be able to add a status just like I did. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.